Everyone's running like they stole a dream. Images of magazines. Take your chance while you're still young. Glory flickers like a candle in the desert sun. Wasted time on an overpass.
Welcome back, it's Chris from Hagon Factory. So this week's video, vintage trials bikes. We've got some KT250s, RL250 and an old Montesa. So we'll have a look at those. And as you saw at the start of the video, we've lost a Central Victorian legend, Paynting. He was into Triumphs, Yamahas, all sorts of stuff. Did plenty of miles on Harleys, right into everything. Good for a shit stir, good for a beer, and good to entertain a crowd. And he was Dad's best friend. They grew up together. So he's going to be sadly missed, but let's get on with the video.
Empty bottles and wasted time. I got nothing to show for all my wasted time. Except the trouble, worried mind.
Righto, so we've got a couple of KT250s, both American imports, and I think most of these did go to America. I did a bit of a research last night. A lot more went there than over here in Australia. So this is a 1975 from Pennsylvania. No, Michigan. No, I was wrong. 1975 from Michigan, this one. This is a 1976 from Pennsylvania. So this one's got the metal flake through the tank, which is a bit brighter. So if you've got any KT250 parts at home in the shed and you're sort of in Victoria or New South Wales, not too far away, let us know. I'll have the email address at the bottom of the screen. I can pass it on to the owner. Any parts we really appreciate it. Okay, so what we've got here is a 1974 RL Suzuki 250, unrestored, bit of a find, but will be cleaned up. But if you've got any guards or anything like that, let us know. I'll put the email address up at the bottom of the screen. Get in touch with me and I'll pass it on to the owner.
Hear that horse riding down that lane, and Lord, it's coming to take my name. Lord, it's coming to take my name. Dreaming of places, wide open spaces. I've been suffocating here too long.
The next one's a 70s Montesa. I'm not sure what year, but we might do a bit of research. It's a trail, by the look of it. It's got the extra long seat, it's got the foot pegs on the rear, it's got the headlight, which I think most of them had anyway. It's got a small little tail light on the back there. Telescope shockers. It's got the original Speedo on there, which I imagine will be pretty hard to find. Pretty good unrestored bike. Looks fantastic.
It's coming to take me away. Lord, it's coming to take me away. Can hear that horse riding down that lane, and Lord, it's coming to take my name. Lord, it's coming to take my name. Dreaming of places, wide open spaces. I've been suffocating here too long. I can't afford ya, California. I'll get to you sometime. Way down that line.
Righto, same as every other week. If you like what you see, like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell everybody. Let's bring Hagon's back.